Hi, I am Priyanka Sahu from Priyanka Sahu online classes. Today we will discuss what is compound, what is mixture and what is the difference between compound and mixture, and also we will discuss what is atom and what is molecule. Let us discuss what is compounds. Compounds are also pure substances like elements, but the difference is in elements there are only one type of substances, but in compounds there are more than one substances. Like water, in every molecule of water there are two hydrogen and one oxygen. In compounds there are more than one substances, more than one substances, and the substances are combined each other in a definite proportion. Like in water molecule, hydrogen and oxygen are combined each other by a definite proportion by mass, that is 1:8. प्रत्येक जल अणु रे दीटा हाइड्रोजेन आ गोटे ऑक्सीजन परमाणु अच्छी आउ से माने 1:8 प्रपोर्शन रे परस्पर सहित कंबाइन बा संयुक्त होइकी रही थांती. इन ईच 9 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर वी कैन फाइंड 1 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन एंड 8 ग्राम ऑक्सीजन. We can separate the elements that present in a compound by different chemical procedure. We can separate hydrogen and oxygen in water molecule by electrolysis of water. We can pass electricity through water and we can get hydrogen and oxygen. Electrolysis करके आमे hydrogen एवं oxygen पाई परिबा. There are different types of compounds like ammonia, carbon dioxide, water, baking soda, washing soda, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, sugar, glucose and etc. and etc. We can define compound as it is a pure substance containing two or more than two elements combined together in a fixed proportion by mass and which can be decomposed into its constituent elements by suitable chemical methods. The properties of a compound are completely different from those of the constituent elements. Take the same example, water. In water, hydrogen is a gas and it is a combustible gas. ये दहनशील बा निजे जले and oxygen it helps in combustion. ये जलिबारे साहाय्य करे. But see water extinguishes fire. ये कौन करे ना निया को लिभाए. अर्थात आमे देखिले we see the properties of elements are different from the properties of compounds. So, the properties of a compounds are completely different from those of the constituent elements. We can divide compounds as organic compounds and inorganic compounds. What is organic compound and what is inorganic compound? Organic compounds are mostly derived from living organisms and or inorganic compounds are derived from non-livings. These are derived from non-livings and these are derived from living organisms. These contain carbon element. Organic compounds are carbon compounds. It contains carbon atom and other element like oxygen, nitrogen, halogens. Look towards what is mixture. A material containing two or more substances, it may be elements or compounds in any proportion, is called a mixture. We already discussed in compounds. In compounds, they also contain two or more substances, but they have a definite proportion, they have a definite composition, fixed composition. किंतु मिश्रण कौन होता है, मिक्सचर बा मिश्रण कौन होता है, एठी मध्य दुई रु अधिक यौगिक बा कंपाउंड भली एठी मध्य दुई रु अधिक सब्सटेंस रही, किंतु सेमाने परस्पर सहित केवल मिसिकी रहिछंती, सेमाने कौनसी निर्दिष्ट अनुपात रे परस्पर सहित संयुक्त होइकी नथांती। मिश्रण रे कौन थांती, दुई रु अधिक एलिमेंट थाई पारंती, दुई रु अधिक कंपाउंड, दुई रु अधिक कंपाउंड परस्पर सहित मिसी थांती, बा एलिमेंट एवं कंपाउंड मौलिक यौगिक परस्पर सहित केवल मिसिकी मिक्सचर बा मिश्रण प्रस्तुत करी थांती। The properties of a mixture are the properties of its constituent. We also discussed in compounds. In compounds, the properties of the constituent particles are different from the properties of compounds. आमे वाटर रे देखिथिले, वाटर जलर गुण एवं जल रे थिबा मौलिक जेमती हाइड्रोजेन एवं ऑक्सीजन रो गुण परस्पर ठारू अलगा थिला, किंतु एठी कोन ही थाए, द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ए मिक्सचर आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल. लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल लाइक sugar water solution, sugar plus water solution. In the taste of sugar is sweet, सुगार बा चीनी रो स्वाद कौन होता है, मीठा होता है, वाटर कौन होता है, स्वादहीन होता है। जिते बेले आमे दीटा को मिसई दउचे सॉल्यूशन हो जाउची, सेते बेले कौन हो जाउची, आमे टेस्ट करिबा ए सॉल्यूशन रा बा ए चीनी पानी को आमे जिते बेले टेस्ट करिबा, इट आल्सो टेस्ट स्वीट, ये मध्य मीठा लागिबो। ताले आमे कौन देखिले, एठी सुगार तार प्रॉपर्टीज हरैला नाही, सुगार प्रॉपर्टीज एठी मध्य ए सॉल्यूशन रे मध्य रहिला। सो we can say the properties of a mixture are the properties of its constituent particle. In compound, we also discussed that we can separate the elements by chemical method, but in mixture we can separate the constituent particle by simple physical method. We can separate sugar solution चीनी पानी रू आमे चीनी को अलग करि परिबा बाय बॉइलिंग करिबा द्वारा, फुटेबा द्वारा जल बाष्पीभूत होई जिवो एवं चीनी रहि जिवो। सो बाय सिंपल physical method we can separate the constituent particles of a mixture. There are two types of mixture, that is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. We already discussed about what is heterogeneous matter and what is homogeneous matter. What is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture is that if the constituent particles or if the composition are uniform throughout, भल भाव पूरा जहाँ एलिमेंट गुड़ाक बा यौगिक गुड़ाक रही से भल भाव मिसिकी रही थे. But in heterogeneous matter, the composition are not uniform throughout. Take an example like air. Air is a homogeneous mixture. In air, there are different elements like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. They mix each other and form homogeneous mixture. And we can take an example of heterogeneous mixture like smoke. In smoke, it contains air and carbon particles. Though the composition is not uniform, so we can say smoke is heterogeneous mixture. As already we discussed that all elements contain one type of particles, and these particles may be in form of atom or molecule. Then what is atom? It is the smallest particle of an element which may or may not be capable of independent existence. It may be independent existence or may not be. Like the atom of iron, copper, gold, silver, magnesium, calcium, but the atom of hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, they cannot exist freely. They exist in form of O2, H2, N2, etc. and etc. Then what is molecule? A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or compound which can exist freely. It is the smallest particle of element or compound. ଯୌଗିକ ବା ମୌଳିକର କ୍ଷୁଦ୍ରତର ରୂପକୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କହିବା? molecule କହିବା. And it exists freely. Molecules are the smallest particle of elements or compounds. So we can divide or we can categorize molecule as molecule of elements or molecule of compounds. Molecule of elements, they are made up of only one kind of particle. एका प्रकार कणिका को नेकी molecule बा अणुटी गठित. So we can say these molecules are homoatomic or homonuclear molecules. Like we can take an example of oxygen, O2. Here 2 oxygen atom made the molecule. दीटा ऑक्सीजन आटम परस्पर सहित मिसिकी ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल टी गठन करिसंती. सो दिस इज homoatomic molecule. We can take another example, nitrogen. We can take another example, O3, ozone, P4. Depending the atom present in the molecule, we can say as monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic. Like Fe, it is a molecule and it is monoatomic because there is one atom in the molecule. In oxygen O2 there are 2 atoms, so we can say diatomic. O3, it contains 3 atoms of oxygen, so we can say it is triatomic. It is tetraatomic. Molecules of compounds, there are 2 or more atoms of different elements, so we can say these are heteroatomic. Heteroatomic molecule or heteronuclear. एठी गोटे प्रकार परमाणु प्रेजेंट अछंती, तेणु आमे ताकू कहिले होमोएटॉमिक. एठी भिन्न भिन्न मौलिकर परमाणु प्रेजेंट अछंती. सो वी कैन से हेटेरोएटॉमिक और हेटेरोन्यूक्लियर मॉलिक्यूल. लाइक होमोएटॉमिक we can name as diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic. Let us take an example. CO, carbon monoxide. Here 2 atoms are present. दीटा परमाणु एठी अछि. So we can say diatomic. CO2. Here 3 atom. दीटा oxygen, गोटे carbon. 3 atom are present. So we can say as triatomic. CH3. CH4 methane. Here 1, 4, 5. 5टा परमाणु एठी प्रेजेंट अछंती. So we can say pentaatomic molecule. Hope you are enjoying this video and thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.